So, what is length? Length is how we find out how big something is, how small something is. Length is how we find out what size something is. How tall an elephant is, or how long an aeroplane is, or how short a penguin is all determined by length. But how do we find out something's length? We need to measure it. There are many ways that we can measure the size of an object, and a number of tools we can use to do so. We will look at the idea of using informal tools to discover the length of an object. Sure, we could use a ruler, but we will look at informal ways to do this. We could use almost anything to measure the length of an object, as long as they are the same as all the other objects that you use. We can use sets of objects, including blocks, counters, string, sticks, paper clips, coins. The list goes on. How many purple paddle sticks is Ethan? To find this out, Ethan might lie down on the floor, while his friend Sam, he lays paddle pop sticks along the side of Ethan, all the way from his feet to the top of his head. If there is 11 paddle pop sticks from Ethan's feet to his head, then Ethan is 11 paddle pop sticks long. That's how long Ethan is. He's 11 paddle pop sticks. However, there's no point in measuring an object using various tools. If we use a stick, a bear, and a star to measure the size of a train, we really don't know exactly how long it is. How big is that star? How small is that bear? How wonky is that stick? How do we know how big the train actually is? So, using a set of tools, can you try to measure the length of something? Your table, a book, or even a friend? How about you give it a go and see if you can figure out how long something is, the length of an object?